There's another pump, Tony, if you want to pump with these things. There's like a manual pump.
That came with it? It doesn't sound like it's going in. To me.
Maybe it's an order. You find the number 1 valve?
Oh, the different valves?
Yeah, there's 3. Maybe it's inside.
Oh,
here's one.
Oh.
I don't think that's...
Yeah,
no.
this is number 1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think you need that tube. That tube is the limiting factor.
Plug it in? Yep.
Is it TikTok?
Yeah.
Pump 2.
Okay, yeah. Oh, in one of the double bags, there's a measuring tool. You're supposed to make sure this says 10 centimeters. Can you find? It's in a little bag. This 10 here.
Yeah.
More.
A little more.
A little bit more, yeah.
Okay. Just keep that out.
Can you give it to me, Tony?
Almost?
Good? Right?
A little bit more. I mean, it's right. This is more just for us, right? To grab onto. It's not for structural reasons.
But when we launch the boat, we gotta make sure the boat is tied to the dock first.
Okay,
So
but it does go around like this. I did see on the thing that they go around.
Yeah, but we should. We do a fisherman's knot. Here's the thing, though. We have to be careful about other boats, because if we get too close to them, their wake can flip us. So let's stay close to the cliff. I mean, the shore, because that's what we need to do anyways.
Yes, we have to stay close to shore. All right, starting to rain a little bit. Putting on raincoats. Ready to move the boat. Right, Hojo?
Yep. Ready?
Okay.
John, say very
Let's see. I think maybe we pick up from front and back, actually.
Yeah.
Not too bad, right? The car's closed. Everything's closed. I didn't lock it, but Tony's criticizing my way of putting the life vest on the backpack containing the rack. He did it better though.
Oh, ouch. Wait, why are you... Oh. Walk in with your sandals.
I don't want to get my sandals on. It's nice though.
Lift it up, lift it up, lift it up.
Okay. Tony, should I bring it to you?
Yeah, bring it to you. I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah, Chloe's there.
I got it. Oh. Okay. Okay, the boat's not going anywhere now.
Okay. You want me to go in the water to secure it, or are you good?
No, we're secure.
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
Okay.
Move the jacket. Wear a jacket or
Okay,
do something.
should I get
don't,
in?
don't have there's too many loose stuff.
Okay.
Oh, careful.
Dude! What are you doing?
Just dude. Dude.
Oh, it's way back there. It's going to the other side though.
John. Why are you taking your shoes off?
I mean, they fall off.
No, you took them off. Okay, just, dude.
Why are you so like,
Okay, well, let's put the
what's the word for this? Like, out of their mind?
Clumsy. Can you, what are you doing? Why are you? It was done on purpose.
I didn't undo that. That was
Yeah,
already
you
undone.
did. You touched it. You pulled on it. You literally just pulled on it.
Okay, I'm concerned.
I'm good. I'm good. It's good. It's okay if I lost a shoe. We got it. We got it.
All right, sit in the boat and don't move, okay?
I think you're the most like focused one right now. So sit tight.
I think if you make it there and then back. Dude,
Okay.
you
I'm holding it now.
don't need,
Okay.
I'll put the rope on the front for the balance.
put the rope in front. Good idea. Someone's. Can you sit and stop moving?
Yeah, I'm moving, elevating my.
But isn't that like not a cushion for the butt? Like for the bag.
I'm trying to move the
That's a
stuff
cushion
up
for
to
the
that.
bag, no? That one?
Okay, there we go.
Just stop moving.
I'm holding still.
I think you should, don't wear your backpack. Just. Alright, sit down.
Oh, and Tony, can you get the GoPro before you get on?
Where's the GoPro?
It's attached to the top. We can also row up to you and you can get on. Oh, you're doing side by side?
Yes.
Okay.
I have right row. Tony, you have a left row.
You push off. Where's the other paddle? John.
Oh, here. Right here.
Okay,
We're not
pushing
too
off.
back heavy.
Yeah,
Well, we're a little back heavy. But
oh,
We all have our life vests on.
oh, hold on. We're turning. This is like the video game. Okay, hold on. Slowly. All right, paddle. You paddle. You go. Right. One. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, you're having so hard. You're so strong. Stop. How come you're so strong?
how come you're so weak?
I think because John's on the right side. John, you just sit more in the middle. Okay. I know, John. I guess I'll paddle harder. Also, I don't usually paddle like this. You know? Okay, go. Hold it. Oh.
Is this like Dragon Boat? Easier, harder? Oh, is that why your team loses?
You lose because of you. You dropped the shoe.
I know, and it never
Oh.
reappeared.
We never like.
I didn't see it, I looked.
We're going. John, do you know where we're going?
Yeah, just keep going along the shore.
Okay, hold on.
We're pretty far now from the boat launch.
I'm tired.
All right, we've made it to the island now. Look at this. These guys are great. They're doing such a good job now coordinating their rowing. We're only spinning around very rarely now.
Yeah, I got it.
Look at these views. Going around Juniper Island. It's called Juniper Island. Unguided.
It'll be easier to punt, you know? How shallow the water is. Yeah, I got it.
All right, we can start to see Rogers Rock there. Well, it's around the corner, around the bend where the trees.
Oh, it's really windy. Oh, the water's getting really choppy, guys.
better to stay close to shore?
Yeah, for sure. We should always stay really close to shore.
Yeah.
Exhausted. This is nothing like dragon boat. I can't use any of the muscles that I use for dragon boat.
Alright, here is Roger's slide coming up. Doing great, guys. That's the slide.
This water's pretty clean though.
Yeah, we could
Did you bring your filter, John?
No, I should have, right?
Oh no, oh no. Oh no, stop. Okay, keep going. Stop.
There's a tree anchor there. And
No, keep going. We're not aiming the right direction.
oh, okay.
Now we're aiming the right direction.
That tree, right? That
Yeah, where the rocks start coming out of the water.
maybe better than dragon boat. Almost there. Happy one. Okay.
Okay, stop. Okay, paddle a bit more.
I'll grab a rock. Are you trying to turn around? What are you trying to do?
No, I'm trying to get closer
Okay.
to shore.
I'll grab it when it comes back to here. Alright, I got the rock. I got it.
Stop.
Here, I'll come here. I have a big rock here I can anchor on.
No, we don't want to rub against the rock though. We don't want to rub.
Okay.
Are you guys doing anything right now?
I'm holding.
Hold on. We just gotta wait until it's cool.
Is this a good place to get off, Tony, or do you want to go over there?
We're hitting.
But it's hard to walk off here, right? It's hard to step up.
I'm gonna step off. Okay.
Okay, shall I let go of the rock? Alright. I'm holding it here. Do you need like a cord or something? Should we get rope? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm holding it.
All right, John, start moving stuff. Hey, just let's move our stuff first.
Yeah, I'm gonna, well, I was gonna stow everything into like the black
let's
bag.
move first so we can have room for the boat.
How about
Okay,
this one? How about this one?
Okay.
Safe?
Let's see.
We have to see for this front side.
Oh, it doesn't look so bad. Right?
It's fine. Good thing I checked the rope.
Well, you know, at least if you fall in the water and you won't die. No, it's a short fall. Pretty safe. Who?
You.
Yeah, sure, wait a minute.
Oh, where should I put this? GoPro?
Oh, yeah. Breaking of the rope. Went down.
If it's far, Chop Dike was not this steep, I think.
So is this like as hard as Apple Pond?
Where's the gear, John?
Oh, can you put this in?
We'll take some shots. Alright, oh, we didn't take a selfie before we got on the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Just in case that was the last.
Oh my god, those are pretty heavy. Is it adding some
give it-
more?
Just give it tons of
I know, I
slack.
know. Wait,
Okay.
wait. I'm so nervous.
The approach was.
Right, about to start little finger. You ready, Hodong?
I'm
Ready to belay? Ready, Tony, to be the last follower?
Yeah,
Good job, guys, on rowing. That was amazing. They were great. All right. Here's the route.
Let's go.
So the approaches to Littlefinger was quite unique. We had to get on a boat and paddle for 45 minutes.
Copperhead, heading your way, guys. Heading your way. I almost put my hand in that crack. It stopped.
I'm scared.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's going to you.
It's a baby snake though.
You see it though?
Yeah.
It's baby.
Oh my fucking god! Okay, let's hope it doesn't go on the rope.
Oh, they do sometimes.
Oh fuck.
Oh my fucking god! I'm not climbing this.
Well, we got the danger out of the way, so.
No, what are you talking about? It's going to the rope. Oh, it's slithering.
Just keep an eye on it, okay?
Oh, my lots of eyes are on it right now. Yeah, keep it. Don't. You're scaring it. Don't move the rope. Let it cross.
John, can you just be careful of me?
Yeah, don't move. Stop. Alright, don't worry, I'll keep an eye on it. I'll let you know when. Yeah, go. Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, it's tight.
How's it going? Righty, there's like boaters going by. What Hodong says?
Yeah.
Go down.
Time I run to you.
How was it? Tony is starting to lead the second pitch. Starting to rain a little bit.
Is my GoPro on? Is it on? Is there?
Flashing light?
It's on. Red light's on.
My calf, I feel it. Alright, let's do a quick then.
You got this.
I hope so. I feel like my right side is so much heavier. There's so much more gear on my right side.
You could have the number 4.
Oh, you brought the number 4 too? Wow.
Nice.
All right, it's been drizzling for a little bit, but Tony led the second pitch, 5.5, 130 feet. I led the first pitch, 5.6, 190 feet. Now, here we go. It's gonna be my turn soon to climb. And look at that view. Look at those clouds or fog hanging over Lake George. Halfway up, pitch 2. It's very wet. Everything is soaked. Hands are soaked. Wow, good job on this lead, Tony. Harder or easier? Okay, we're at the top of pitch 2. Here's Tony's belay station. It's not so comfortable. Pumpy on our feet. All right, I'm gonna do the last pitch. I think I go up to the right and straight up. This might be the direct 5-7 finish.
You can fake the rope.
No, don't think so.
We should remove that one.
Yeah, we'll remove it. Once you good? Yeah, don't worry. We'll remove it right now.
Right now because all right, almost maybe more than halfway on pitch 3. There's probably the end. Whew. Very pumpy on the calves and lots of water all over the place. Everything's glistening and wet. Here's the anchors finally. A lot of wet spots. Some runouts, but not too bad. All right, time to anchor myself here. Tony, there's kind of a ledge.
very wet, soaking. This is soaking wet, like a sponge. Climbers. A bit. 2. Righty. My butt's gonna be a little bit wet. Okay. Raining. Here comes Hojong. I'm sure it'll be dramatic with some screaming. It won't look very dramatic. I'm sure on the GoPro, right? Nothing looks that dramatic on the GoPro.
Just the sound effects.
Good job leading this, man. Well,
I mean, it hasn't changed. It's been raining nonstop like this.
if it was this, like,
Yeah, it's like pools of water everywhere.
oh my god.
But it's fine. Just go slow. Choose your fingers.
Well, yeah. But you went pretty fast though.
Yeah.
Oh, how do you place this?
What is it?
The purple.
Okay. Come up. Finish it.
Man, it's like waterfall, man.
We're almost done with the climb. Tony's removing the last nut.
Is that the last
It's
one?
an offset. Yeah.
That's the last one. Good job, Tony.
You only fell once on this pitch. Must have been exciting.
Oh, that was... Haven't felt like that in a long time.
Your heart rate go up?
Oh, it must have. Last time I think I can remember it was Shockley's. Whoa, John, you rappelling into water? Whoa, dude. Dude, look over. Look here. Whoa, dude, this is actually sick. Do a pose.
Let's go to the same pose over and over again.
Oh, wow, this is actually kind of... All right, go over. Go under there.
GoPro, start recording. All right, guys. See you later. Pelling down. Done with the first of 3 rappels. I came to these rings, bolts. There was another set over to the side there somewhere. But I'm not really sure which one we're supposed to go to. So hopefully this one works out okay for us.
Kojan rappelling down. Little finger.
Bye-bye.
Wrapping down. Hojong. John. Yep. Stop raining as soon as we stop climbing.
Look at all this effort Tony's going through to pull the rope down. Here it comes, here it comes.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Ah. Ah.
Still have to do 2 more rappels.
Oh my god, it's all over my lap. So dirty. Oh, I'm so dirty, John.
Naughty boy.
How's it? Little finger.
That's good. A lot of
Happy.
finger jam. Like,
We still have one more rappel left. One more rappel. There's Tony coming down. Very carefully.
we
Second
did the
rappel.
really
This
long,
anchor.
long 3 rappels. Double rappel.
No chain, no rings, just that. Oh, look. The clouds seem to be clearing a little bit.
Water being squeezed. Oh. Oh. Whoa!
Are you GoProing? Are you doing military rappel?
Oh. Ah. Oh my god. You see all this? Oh.
Final rappel.
Final rappel.
All right, to the ground.
Time to go home.
Any water coming out? Yeah, there's water squirting out every time. I'm down, back on the ground, and there's Hojong stuck in the trees. Have to scramble along some of these rocks. Yeah, there's like a slide right into the water here. Definitely don't want to fall in here. You wouldn't be able to get out.
Well, I mean, that's why I was like, John, the actual rock is over there.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Where's he even coming from?
Okay, got the ropes back. Tony has the other. He's going to the boat. All right. So. Guess we'll go out this way. Oh my god, shaking water down on myself. Not smart. Oh, is that the down climb? All right, we're back. It's our boat. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Good job.
I didn't expect anything bad to happen, but
you're happy that we're not dead.
yeah, well, yeah.
Pessimist.
Can you pass the rope, John?
Yeah.
Oh, you can sit on a rope, maybe.
Okay, here's a wet bag.
What?
Okay.
John!
Why are you throwing stuff? He's like, I lost my shoes. I don't care what anything else. Why don't you put the wet bag in the duffel?
Okay.
Because the duffel has all the room.
John, come down. Come down.
I'm trying to do too many things at the same time. I need some weed. Maybe. Oh, my shoe came out.
Let's put the dry bag in a duffel.
Okay, okay. I'll give you this here. Rack, pack. Here.
Yeah, I'll put the life jacket on. Here.
Okay.
Oh. Cute, huh? Yeah, you're good. Good. You're good. Good.
Dawn's like,
It's the most ergo.
I'll go in the front, you go in the back, and Hodong goes in the middle.
Okay, let's go. Come in the water.
Oh, okay. Give that to me.
John, you gonna come in the water?
Yeah.
Go.
Wait, I'll hook it with my foot for now. Let it put this on. Wait, one on each side you're gonna do?
yeah.
Okay. Oh, without using. Oh, she has an oar emplacement too, but do you think the
No,
emplacement.
don't use the oar placement. It's
Okay.
not useful. Well, it could be. I don't know.
We just suck.
Well, here's one part, and here's the other part. Okay. I mean, we could do the oar placement. Actually, if anything, you just kayak. So I can just do this.
Oh, you want me to try? Oh, it snapped? Okay. So she's.
Okay, you're on right.
Hodong's on right? Nice.
Yeah, maybe a little bit right more.
Right, okay.
What do you mean paddling sideways? What the fuck is paddling sideways? Dude, stop!
What?
You're spraying water!
Okay.
Dude,
Sorry.
It's always really bad at
shoveling
this.
water just now.
Okay.
Don't shovel water.
Look at that. Oh, some flowers. Can we just pull off the bottom here? Watch out, there's rocks on the right.
Yeah, there's a rock. There's a rock.
Oh, we still have to go pretty far. We have to go past those, the white buoys here, the white buoys there, and then still around.